Hi guys, so let me turn this down. We are about to head to a local coffee shop to do a photo shoot with a model for Blank Wardrobe. I haven't worked with her before, so I found her on Instagram, y'all. Do not undermine or underutilize your resources that you have that's free, you know what I mean? So it was easy for me to, not easy because I had to kind of search through some riffraff because people were tagging Atlanta model and you know they wasn't no models, child. But we are about to get ready to go shoot her and go shoot her. As you can see outside, or kind of can see, I'm not going to show y'all everything, but it's raining outside. And yeah, so I had to have, like, the idea was to be able to shoot outside, but obviously we can't shoot with the rain. So anyway, I was calling like a maniac yesterday to different places, and people be acting all funny. Like, I'm not even doing a big shoot. Like, this is like a real small, you know, it's gonna be 3 of us, including me, the model, and Alfred. No lights, no nothing, just like really a lifestyle shot. But I get it, because the thing is if they allow me to do it, then other people will do it too, and they might, you know, get rude and disrespectful and do the most at their shoots. But anyway, so we are about to get ready to do that, so it should be fun. Show you guys some behind the scenes of that, and I'm super excited about meeting this girl, and hopefully by the end of this I will need one more model, I think, and I'll have at least some people I can collaborate with on kind of like a regular basis, including myself. Obviously I'll be still shooting some stuff, but yeah, just trying to build up the team, y'all. But all right, you guys, let me turn this music down a little bit. So I am wrapping up my day at my day job. I work from home today, so let me see if I can get this camera right. Let me just hold it. For those who I work with and you're watching this video, this is what I generally look like when I'm having meetings with y'all over the phone. So that's why I don't like Skyping or anything of that nature, because I am looking like this. So anyway, today is Valentine's Day, and Blank Wardrobe is having a sale. It's a 40% off sale. I don't really know how long I'm gonna keep the sale going for, but the response has been really good. So obviously y'all are either y'all trying to show me some love because it's Valentine's Day, or y'all liking the sale. So thank you all for all my customers, my new customers, returning customers. I really do appreciate you guys supporting Blank Wardrobe, supporting me. We are a new business, so it's always like every customer is like, you have so much gratitude for them. So I do appreciate you guys. I'm packing up some orders now, and it's a pretty manual process, so I wanted to kind of show you guys, because usually I'm packing up, when I do have orders, I'm packing it up at night. So it's like 11-12 o'clock at night, because that's when I have time to kind of settle down after coming home from work, etc, etc, etc. And I don't know, that's like my peak working hours, and other entrepreneurs probably understand this, especially when you're working 9 to 5 too. It's that like you're tired when you get home, and then you get this kind of like energy kick like around 8-9 o'clock, and you can go for until like 2 or 3, especially if you drink coffee like I do. So anyway, since I'm doing this one a little bit earlier, I decided to turn the camera on, just because I want you guys to know about the sale. And it's 40% off. I think I already told y'all this. Why am I repeating myself? V, get it together, y'all. It's been a long day, a long week, and it's only Wednesday. But anyway, I wanted to show y'all the whole process, y'all, of doing it, so you guys can get some kind of behind the scenes action of this. So here y'all are about to come on this journey with me and packing up some orders. That's how we gonna start this clip. And if you if you know why I'm doing this, then you are the real MVP. That's how we gonna start it though. How y'all doing today on this Saturday? okay? This Wakanda Black Panther Saturday. How y'all doing? Yes. So your girl, anyway, let me stop. The reason why I'm doing what I'm doing is because I finally got these nails slayed and did at Hotspot nail salon in, what city is it in? It's off of Roswell Road. It might be Sandy Springs, I think, but it's off of Roswell Road. So if you are in the Atlanta area, then you are familiar with that location. But when I tell you, what was his name? Andy got my nails all the way together, and he actually he redid my set. So this is, he took off all the old acrylic because I had it on there for, not acrylic, but gel, for like, gosh, it had to be like 3 or 4 months. And he took all that off and put on a fresh like coat or set, and like literally these are my natural nails, y'all. Look how long my nails got. I'm so like happy. These are goals. These are goals nails, y'all. Hashtag goals, okay? Anyway, I'm starving, so I'm waiting on Mr. Austin to figure some things out.
What up, y'all?
So we can go get something to eat. We are working out and trying to get ourselves together, child, because I can't, you know, my shirts and stuff starting to fit tight. I can't be about that life. So we've been going, you know, trying to eat healthy and do little things. Had little what did I have? An English muffin, avocado, egg sandwich earlier today. It is 2:48, so that was at like 10. It is time to eat again.
What you want to eat?
I don't know, I'm hungry. Yeah. Come on, get it together. He putting on socks. That's what he doing.
What you got on? Put them all in my business.
Look.
You can't go nowhere without no socks on.
Y'all like his shoes and stuff like that?
Damn, look at your boy.
He's been on the whole...
Oh, kill him.
Y'all, speaking of which, I've been wanting for the summer some like slides, and I think I want to get the Gucci slides. Yeah, I don't know.
I ain't gonna tell you what she acting like, but it's cool.
Really? Y'all, anyway, I want
some Gucci flip flops. It's some Gucci flip flops.
For real.
That's what I think of when I think of Gucci flip flops.
Well, I'm gonna have me some
on. Miley Percocet.
I'm gonna have me some on.
You gonna be by yourself?
Well, that's okay. Me and the other people that's putting on Gucci flip flops, we gonna have them. So anyway, so I'm starting to think of my spring and summer. Like I don't know, like my regular attire, like I have on today. I've been like a leggings, kind of like hoodie, like vibe. That's a vibe I've been going for. Now tonight when we go to Black Panther, I'm gonna switch it up on you, you know, because I can do that. But you know,
we were supposed to buy an extra USB charger.
Oh, at Target.
Yeah.
Well, we'll probably go there about it.
Because I wanted to have it for whoever got in the car.
No, I'm not gonna do that because then it mess around to be somebody who watch my blog, child. You know, bonnets. It's cool. I wear my do-rag, y'all. I do. But bonnets and do-rags are made for your house. There's no reason ever in on this God green earth.
Gucci flip flops is made for your house.
No, for you to ever walk out your house.
You put some Gucci flip flops on, they are made.
And if you do it, and I know you, I will call you out.
Hey, they made for your house.
No, Gucci flip flops are made for outside.
No, they ain't.
Clearly, whether he likes it or not, I'm gonna have me some Gucci flip flops, and that's the end of the story. We'll holler at y'all at that next location.